Hello everyone, welcome to KND, a factory specialized in push-button switches for 16 years. Today I will lead you on a tour of our factory. KND was founded in 1990 and is located in Yueqing with a workforce of 260 employees. Over the years, we have obtained certifications such as 3C, CE, ISO 9001, TUV, and CB, and we are dedicated to providing high-quality, innovative push-button switch solutions for customers worldwide. Our main products include push-button switches, indicator lights, push-button boxes, limit switch, and protectors, and they are widely used in control panels, control boxes, distribution boxes, and instrument boxes. Currently, KND has become a designated supplier for many well-known domestic brands such as Chained, Delixi, Sanxing, and Tianzhen. Our products are also exported to 36 countries across Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. This is our sample room where we introduce our products to clients and offer customized push-button switches based on their needs. Here's our production workshop, which spans about 15,000 square meters. As an industry leader, we have advanced equipment and an experienced R&D team. This is our quality control room, where we have dedicated quality inspectors to strictly manage product quality. This is our warehouse with a storage area about 2,000 square meters, utilizing an advanced barcode storage management system. This is our foreign trade team. They have high professional skills and a warm service attitude, providing meticulous service to our customers. If you are looking for a professional and reliable push-button switch supplier, please contact us. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.